Have you ever wondered how inner linings get to market when they are of good quality? Today we will go into the interlining production plant to show you the whole process of quality testing and safety control of interlining from production to finished product, where every roll of interlining that leaves the factory meets the highest standards and enhances your product. In today's textile market, the demand for interlinings continues to grow, whether it is for fashion apparel, home furnishings, or technical textiles. Interlining plays a vital role. It not only enhances the quality of the product, but also gives apparel and home furnishings better form and durability. In order to meet the market demand for high-quality interlining fabrics, we strictly select high-quality fiber materials to ensure that they meet international safety standards. Each batch of raw materials is subject to stringent quality testing before entering the factory, including analysis of physical properties and chemical composition. During the weaving process, we monitor the density, thickness, and elasticity of the fabric in real time to ensure that the quality of each piece of lining fabric meets our requirements. The quality inspection team conducts detailed tests on semi-finished products, including a number of indicators such as strength, abrasion resistance, and water absorption. Finished inner linings are also subjected to a series of stringent quality tests and safety controls. We use state-of-the-art instrumentation to test the tensile strength, abrasion resistance, and color fastness of the interlining to ensure that it maintains its excellent performance in real-world applications over the long term. After completing the quality inspection, the interlining fabric will enter the safety control section. We will carry out chemical safety testing on the finished products to ensure that the interlining fabrics do not contain any harmful substances and comply with international environmental standards, so as to provide customers with safe and reliable products. In addition, we have obtained a number of international certifications, including GRS certificate and OCO-TEX Standard 100 certification. These certificates not only recognize the quality of our products, but also reflect our sense of corporate responsibility. From market demand to finished product inspection, we are always committed to providing high-quality interlining products. Through strict quality control and safety testing, we ensure that every roll of interlining that leaves our factory meets your needs. Thanks for watching. We hope you have gained a better understanding of quality testing and safety control of interlinings. If you want to improve your product quality and market competitiveness, choosing us is choosing the double guarantee of quality and safety.